Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. And you need to start by open the application, QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Right here you need to go to the sound or to the settings at the top, and right here on Apple devices at the left top we'll see this headphone icon, or on Android devices it's located at the right top. It's the same for the settings, it's located at the right top or at the left if you have Apple devices. So you need to tap at this icon, and right here we have firmware version. Firmware version is the same as software, so you can check it right here. But also we have the second option is to go to the settings at the top and then scroll down. We have firmware update, and right here you have your current version, or you can tap at this line and check for updates, and it said you that I have the last version, so this one is a current one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.